Hey, Shalom, y'all. First one was to give our praise, glory, and honor to YAHAWAH, BAHASHAM, YAHAWASHI, BAHASHAM, QADASH. Second one to give double honor to the Apostle GreatMillstone, who are well. Third one was to say Shalom, Muhammad Baki Yasha Shawala, to you hopeful elect that's pushing the truth of all corners of the earth. Just real quick, man. I just saw this earlier. I was working and I was going through like an article and I saw some information on basically what they're doing out there in the world, man. And I'm like, man, this just gotta go, man. See what I'm saying? It made me think of a scripture, and I'll get it, but Lord willing, let me read the article first. It's gonna be real quick. Let's see. So basically, it's just this thing right here, man. It says first pig monkey chimeras were just created in China, so they successfully got the pig and the monkey cells to cross pollinate, so to speak, and breed. And it was born, but it was only born for like a moment. So most of the babies died, and then like I guess like two of them survived, and the two that survived had pig outsides, but like part of the insides were like part monkey or whatever. And then like the scientists were questioning why they died, and they blamed it on the incubation and how they were incubated, but really it obviously was because of the monkey DNA inside of them. But it's only a matter of time before it goes from monkeys to humans. You see what I'm saying? The only reason you would use a monkey as a pretty much a host will be because you want something that's as close to a human as possible. You know what I'm saying? And that's what they're trying to do, man. So they're trying to basically they spliced this DNA with this pig, which would be known as a chimera in scientific terms, which is the splicing of two DNAs. See what I'm saying? And mix them together to create something else that at least can sustain some sort of life. So it sustained life, and the pigs, they died because they weren't healthy, because they had monkey DNA, because that's not how the Most High designed it. But they lived. See what I'm saying? So they basically, I guess, down the line, their excuse to do this is that they want to be able to harvest organs for them from the animals or whatever other sick, twisted thing that they're trying to do. You know what I'm saying? And use those organs in humans. You know what I'm saying? Which from a first glance, people will be like, "Oh yeah, go for it," but it's all types of messed up. Just shit with that, man. See what I'm saying? That's why this place gotta go. But just going on, it says let's see, two piglets recently born in China look like average swine on the outside, but on the inside they are very small part monkey, man. What the hell? It says a team of researchers generated the pig primate creatures by injecting monkey stem cells into fertilized pig embryo. It says, and then implanting them into surrogate souls. So it says, according to a piece by New Scientist, two of the resulting pigs developed into interspecies animals known as chimeras, meaning that they had contained DNA from two distinct individuals. In this case, a pig and a monkey, man. So this just happened a few hours ago. And it says, this is the first report of a full-term pig monkey chimera. So basically the first time that it actually came to be born, and lived for any periodic amount of time with cross-pollinated DNA from more than one species, far right, far left animal, from two different genomes, man. See what I'm saying? So it says co-author Tang Hai. So this is Moab out there just tripping, man. It says, a researcher at the State Key Laboratory of Stem Cell and Reproductive Biology in Beijing told New Scientist, eventually Hai and his colleagues aim to grow human organs in animals for the use of transplant procedures. For now, the team plans to stick with monkey cells, and developing human animal chimera presents a slew of ethical issues, man. It is quoted because they know it's wrong, man. It says, the authors noted in a report published November 28th, the journal. So the swine is already unclean, man. And then you're trying to use it to harvest organs for for humans, man. And of course, for them to be able to successfully do this, they're gonna have to eventually splice that DNA at one point or another with human and do human experiments, man. Just like how some time ago they were talking about the head transplants, but that got swept under the rug. Nobody knows what's going on with it. You know that they're still experimenting with it, man. But where the hell do you get the fresh body and a fresh head from, man? So yeah, man, somebody just gotta donate. You know what I'm saying? But that got swept under the rug. Nobody's knowing what's going on with that anymore. You're just gonna one day see that it's been done, and you're gonna question, how they get it perfect the first time. Nah, man, it's trial and error, man. Which means they had a whole bunch of decapitated people to experiment on before they got it right, man. See what I'm saying? Somebody signed off on that, in whatever upper echelon world they live in, man. So because they're not in reality, so to speak, man. But this is actually happening, man. It says to create pig primate chimeras, High and his co-authors first grew cells from Synox Slovakia says Symalgus monkey. I'm not gonna say that word. In a lab dishes, man. It says the team then altered the cell's DNA by inserting instructions to build a fluorescent protein. So instructions basically is like, DNA building blocks. So they basically inserted the strand for it to build fluorescent protein. It says which caused the cells to grow a bright green, man. To glow a bright green. So some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle shit. These luminescent cells gave rise to equally radiant embryonic stem cells, which the researchers then injected into prepared pig embryos. It says these glowing spots allowed the researchers to track the monkey cells as the embryos grew in the piglets, man. So first they had glowing pigs, which that was some time ago when they were trying to make glow-in-the-dark animals by putting that inside their DNA, and it worked. Now they got monkey, pig, whatever, man. So it says in total 4,000 embryos received an injection of monkey cells and were implanted in surrogates. The pigs bore 10 pigs. As a result of the procedure, only 2 of the offsprings grew both pig and monkey cells. By the scanning for spots of fluorescent green, the team found monkey cells scattered throughout multiple organs, including the heart, liver, spleen, lungs, and skin. So they're just trying to get closer to human splicing. It says in each organ between the 1,000 and 10,000 cells. In each organ between 1 in 1,000 and 1 in 10,000 cells turn into be a monkey cell, which is enough, man. It says, in other words, the inspectors' chimeras were more than 99% pig, but like 1% monkey, man. So I'm kind of going long-winded, but I want to get into the scripture. It says, although low, the ratio of monkey to pig cells still outnumber the maximum amount of human cells ever grown in a human animal. So enough, man. That's just fucked up. But it made me think of this scripture right here, which is just relevant. That's just overall, man. It says Psalms 96. It says, "Oh, sing unto the Lord a new song. Sing unto the Lord all the earth. Sing unto the Lord, bless his name. Shew forth his salvation from day to day." It says, declare his glory among the heathens, his wonders among all people, man. See what I'm saying? So the animals and the species and everything that he's created is a part of his glory, man. His wonders, man, that he's created. So they're trying to take something that was already a wonder to them and turn it into something that they basically can say that they created, but really they're just trying to tweak what was already there anyway, man. See what I'm saying? Because the creatures are his invention, man. See what I'm saying? So no matter how much they try to say that it's something that they made, or that they try to play God, they will never be able to do it, man. That's why everything they're trying to do to these animals is just not working, man. They're dying, man. See what I'm saying? And even if it does work, it's gonna cause huge problems. But they're gonna keep trying, man. See what I'm saying? But these are wonders to them, man. See what I'm saying? Because they're heathens, man. They're Moabites, man. So let's keep going. It says, verse 4, it says, "For the Lord is great and greatly to be praised. He is to be feared above all gods," man. See what I'm saying? So above all this bullshit, above all their philosophies, above all their BS, man. He's gonna get the last say so, man. See what I'm saying? And that's why his creations are gonna go, and they're gonna follow his will, man. Sorry, man. They're gonna follow his will, man. So to hell with splicing these genes, man. You see what I'm saying? It's just unethical, man. Verse 6, it says, "Honor and majesty are before him, strength and beauty are in his sanctuary," man. So yeah, man, they're taking some things that are beautiful and just destroying it, man. They've already done it with the earth, and now they're trying to do it with the animals too, man. They already knocked out, because aside from these Edomites, man, see what I'm saying? These Moabites, man, they're poaching and killing all types of animals, man. See what I'm saying? And just all of them, man. See what I'm saying? And they're just taking them out, man. See what I'm saying? I didn't know it's gonna be this one.